Elon Musk's Starlink ready to provide internet services in Pakistan. Elon Musk's company Starlink Internet Services has officially registered itself with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, SECP, to provide internet services in Pakistan through satellite. According to a statement issued by the Ministry of IT and Telecommunication on Monday, SpaceX Director for Global Licensing and Market Activation Ryan Goodnight met Pakistan's Federal Minister for Information Technology and Telecommunication Syed Aman al-Haq to discuss the registration of SpaceX's Starlink. The meeting was held to explore how Starlink's quickest and least expensive satellite internet services could open the door for reasonably priced broadband services throughout Pakistan. The minister expressed optimism that even in remote areas Starlink's services could significantly lower the operational costs of telecom operators. The minister stated, "Our main goal is to provide broadband services to every area of Pakistan at a reasonable price," adding, "Starlink can play a significant role in this regard." Ryan Goodnight expressed his appreciation for Pakistan's growth in the IT and telecom sectors and thanked the minister for his cooperation. Ryan said, "The fundamentals are finished, and we are now prepared to go quickly."